love it.
Can't wait, So, leaving. We're leaving.
So, what should we name it? Itchy Armpit it is.
Yeah, between you and me, the village could do with a little less speeding, don't you think? We're dead.
Whoa. Where do you think you're going?
Okay, everybody, stop jumping on everybody.
Trust me, relationships are nothing but pain and misery.
No, I'm not a demon. I'm not a demon. See? Just a guy.
My name's Hiccup.
Great name, I know, but it's not the worst. Parents believe a hideous name will frighten off gnomes and trolls, like our charming Viking demeanor would. Thank you for summing that up.